Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about an amazing website, icon8.com. In icon8.com, you can upscale the quality of your picture from let's say a blurry picture, and it's going to help you increase the quality and make the picture more clearer. This website is actually a website for design, but I use the smart upscaler there. There's a background remover, the plugins, and whatever that are there. But I mostly use the smart upscaler and the background remover. In the smart upscaler, all you have to do is just make sure you create an account with them first. Then upload that video you want to upscale. The video you want to increase the quality, upload it, and automatically it's going to upgrade the quality for you. I sometimes use this because there are some pictures you take and it will look blurry. So this website is an amazing website that is designed just for you, that's created just for you. As a graphic designer, as a photo editor, I assure you that you absolutely wouldn't want to miss not using this website. Do well to check it out, icon8.com. I'll see you in the next video.